Assalamualaikum, my name is Adnan and welcome to my YouTube channel msqs Wala. Today I am going to tell you about the definition of Microsoft Office and their applications. So let's start. What is the definition of Microsoft Office? Microsoft Office is a set of computer applications mainly used for business and office purpose. There are more than 7 applications in Microsoft Office, but the main applications are 3. Number 1, Microsoft Word. Number 2, Microsoft Excel. Number 3, Microsoft PowerPoint. What is the definition of Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a program of Microsoft Office and it is used for creating and composing documents such as CV, letters, forms, applications, question papers, and many others. What is the definition of Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a program of Microsoft Office and it is used for accounting formula, balance sheet with formula, show true false conditions, data entry, and many other. What is the definition of Microsoft PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful slideshow presentation program of Microsoft Office. It is used for present data or information by using text, diagrams with animations, images and transitional effects in the form of slides.
अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।